Welcome friends. In this video we are going to discuss about format string. If you watch the previous video, there is some point I already discussed on that video, that is string with numerical data. How you can concatenate string with numerical data. Very important point. At the end of that video I already told them how this particular string concatenate with the numerical data. So in this video you get your right answer how string with numeric data is going to be print. Fine. So how it is going to be possible? It's possible. There is a inbuilt or built-in function called a format. There is a built-in function called a format which helps you to print string with numeric data. So let's see through practical work. So already told you I have to convert that particular numeric data to the string, then it is concatenation is possible. See, when is going to be add a plus b, it concatenation possible because I changes that numerical data to the string. So in this case, when you go follow the string format which helps you print without converting that numerical data to the string type. Okay, without converting the numerical data or int type of data to the string type or float type of data to string type or complex type of data. Complex cannot convert it. You remember this thing. Fine. So first of all, I will write here comment as a string format. Okay, string format. Print here, print, not go first print, we take the variable text. Suppose my name is this. Okay, so how could you print that name, your name, in that curly bracket? There is a concept is called a format. Name equal to Lingaraj, and there is going to be print text dot format. Okay, name. Okay, when you're going to run this code, it will show you my name is Lingaraj. Okay, because there is a curly bracket indicates you the variable or the data is going to be print here. How it could be known? Format takes the recognize on the which portion of that particular string is going to be print that particular data. Okay, suppose here I will take an as a age equal to 25. Fine. Then text equal to my age is, fine. Here age is the numerical. Then print, then text format, then age. Fine. So age is a single value that is going to be print 25. If you type here 0, that is also index, that is a 25, it is going to be returned. Fine. If there is a multiple data is going to be format, how it is going to be work? See, I will take that type of text data. Lingaraj take hub website cost each 1200K. Okay, fine. So here I will convert this text to the two format. How? I will replace this LingarajTechhub cut. I will give in as a website name equal to TechHub and a price equal to 12,000. Okay, I will replace this thing simply because in dollar. Fine. I written here in numeric in numbers in sorry in words that dollar is not going to be assigned to its particular numeric data. I will written in dollars in a word. So here I will replace this 1200 here, assign to the curly bracket here, assign curly bracket here. By help of the format function, how I could assign these particular variables in this particular format or in this particular curly bracket. Print, there is a text dot format. Okay, if you not assign the index 0 and 1, then by default the sequence is going to be huge. Website name and there is a price. Fine. And when you're going to run it, it shows you LingarajTechhub website cost is $12,000. Okay, not in, that is $12,000. Or if you say that dollar, you remove this word. See, website cost is $12,000. Fine. So next I will assign the index. So here 0 index, here 1 index, and here I will change it price, then website name. So how it will affect? See, that format can recognize which one is the 0 index, which one the 1 index, but the beginning it counted as a 0, the next is counted as a 1. So price comes to here, let's say 0, which is not a perfect. So you have to remember that which particular variable are assigned to the which particular format. Otherwise you assign this thing as a sequence. Otherwise you first see the state, what is the statement, then according to index you arrange all these particular variables. So here I remove the price first, then comma, then assign the price here. Then when you are going to run it, it will show you LingarajTechhub website cost is $12,000. Fine, you understand how it is going to be work. And if you want to add another variable, that is name equal to Lingaraj, made by okay, fine. So here after price you have to add name, and there is 0, 1 and 2. Website cost is $12,000, made by Lingaraj. Fine. Otherwise if you want to change this sentence in another way, text equal to the price of website made by, fine, the price of LingarajTechhub website the sentence is going to be not a perfect. I have to change this meaning. The price of $12,000 website LingarajTechhub made by, now it is going to be perfect. So how the print text dot format, then now it is the important part. So which one, the first, second, third? The price of the dollar means 12,000. So first is comes out the price. If you write in a sequence, suppose there is a website name, comma, then is a price, comma, then there is the name. You write in this sequence, simple, first, second, third. But when you pick here, which one the first, you have to give in as the index value by help of this 0, 1 and 2. So here price, that is 1, and the website name, that is 0, and there is a name, it comes out the 2. Okay, then it's going to be run the code and you will see the price of $12,000 website LingarajTechhub made by Lingaraj. Fine, the sentence now looks fine. Okay, so this is the way how you could use format, and I will also build another video which will only dedicated to the format function of a string, because there is a lots of things inside this format. Today is the first video on the format. Upcoming time I will build all the in-depth concepts about the format, because there is a lots of things and present inside that format. Fine, so this the price of $1 means index 1. You understood this particular last you understood the last statement how it is work, because I will sequence it: website, price and name. So website is the first, means there is a the price of dollar. What is written here? One means here the price is first going to be written. So what is the value? What is which variable is going to print here? Then which variable going to print here? Which variable going to print here? According to the variable, and here we sequence is given 0, 1 and 2. So if you interchange it, then sequence which are given here, it is going to be invalid. Fine. So this is the way where you add numeric data to the string without converting that numerical data to the string type. Fine. If you have any doubt, go to the comment box and type there. And please like, share, subscribe this video. Click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you get the notifications. Thank you.